Hey there, my name's Adam, and this is week 163 of my renovation on Iris Street. It's really short because most of the week I'm in LA for work, but I do get some door hardware installed this week, so let's check it out. On Wednesday, I'm still in LA. It's hard to stay consistent with runs when you have a full day of meetings and then a team dinner after work, but I'd rather have a late night than skip a run. Back in Colorado, Cat Friend is starting to get more used to the rover taking care of her. On Thursday, the LA weather is nice enough for shorts. Between meetings, there's even time for a game of chess. Back home, Cat Friend is still alive and well. On Saturday, I head to Brush for our annual Beat Digger Ugly Christmas Sweater Party. These are my friends from high school, and sometimes Christmas is the only time of the year we can all meet up. Anytime I try to get work done, Cat Friend loves to come and sit on my lap, sit on my desk, sit on my computer, really anywhere she can be both cute and in the way at the same time. In the afternoon, I snag a run at Rocky Flats. Even with winter in full swing here, Colorado is still quite beautiful. Well, as you can see, I'm slowly getting the house set up here. One of the things I've been looking forward to installing behind a few of these doors is these door stoppers. What's cool about them is they're sort of like a door stopper and a magnetic door catch all in one. This two-piece system has a piece that attaches to the door and to the wall, and it's magnetic, so it'll hold the door open, but also act as a doorstop. Let's get one installed and see what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty much it. Let's see it in action. What's cool is it's got a spring in it, so it adds a little bit of play to it. Alright, I think that's going to be a great solution. A couple of these doors want to swing closed, and I'm worried about the handles hitting the corners, so should be good. On Thursday, I head to the Washington Park UCC to hear my friend Deborah's choir concert. Back home, it's snuggle time. Cat Friend will be picked up next week by Andrew, so say your goodbyes now, and until then, thanks for tuning in.